Hey everyone, it's Candace of Candace O Beauty. I am back with another video, and this one, as the title says, is an Ulta haul, and it's going to be a get ready with me. I went to Ulta earlier today. I needed some new makeup things. One, I just needed new things, and two, because I got some requests to do more makeup videos, and I felt like I kept using the same things over and over again, so I'm trying to differentiate. So I picked up some new things, and then I also gave myself a budget-ish. So I knew that I needed some things. I wanted to try some new things as well. So I gave myself, I said between $100 and $150. I did make it under $150. After tax, I spent roughly $137. Don't be pocket watching, but that's just the budget that I gave for myself. So let's see what I got. So the first thing that I got was the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I have been wearing this foundation, this formula already for a while, but I got a different color. I already had the color Caracas, but I got Macao instead, which generally is my color in all other formulas. I don't necessarily recall why I got this color before, but it's just a little too red for me. And I don't know if it's just one, that it's old, or two, that it wasn't the right color, and three, I've been in the house for like a year. Next, I knew I needed a concealer, so I decided to try the E.L.F Hydrating Concealer. I've heard good things about it. It was only $6. I will say the struggle right now of like going to like get makeup is because of COVID, like you can't test anything. So like, I don't know how this is going to work. It says that it is full coverage in satin. Ooh, this looks really, really light now. See, this is a really big doe foot applicator. Let's see. I think I can make this work, but I do think it's too light. But I think we'll make it work. I got the color medium warm. I feel like I personally can make this work, but we shall see. Next, I got this Morphe Glamabronze, like this face and body bronzer. I got the color Leader. Let's see what she's giving. This is the bronzer. I keep using the same, oh, I think that might be nice. It's a little red. I don't know if that's picking up on camera, but well, my other bronzer was red too, more reddish. So I do like this. Like, it has like a really nice big mirror. And let's see, how many ounces is this? 0.70 ounces, 0.20 grams. I'm the weird person, like I like to know how much product I'm getting, because I'm a big like product per use like type of person. And like when I'm doing like cost comparisons between other, like if I'm comparing brands, I like to look at like this brand, like I'm basically how much I'm paying like per ounce. Next, I got some Ardell Remy lashes. These are number 782. I love a good fluffy lash situation. So next I got this lash applicator. Apparently I didn't really read it, but it's supposed to be for their Falscara collection, and apparently it's supposed to be for applying lashes like under, but I really got it. Just see, now I'm turning into my mom, just like buying gadgets and shit that I probably don't need. Tweezers were serving me just fine, but here we are buying shit. Next, I got the Urban Decay 24/7 liner pencil. I got the color Legend. It's a black pencil. Perversion is like the cult classic Urban Decay 24/7 pencil, but I got Legend. Why? Just because I felt like I wanted to be different. Let's see. It is super black. Oh, she's black, baby. Yes, we're gonna get into her. All right, next I got two new NYX Suede Matte Lip Pencils. They're my favorite formula for lip pencils. I got the color Sandstorm, which is, oh, that's nice for nudes. Sandstorm, and then I also got Brooklyn Thorn. Oh, yeah. And then last but not least, I got some Neutrogena Hydro Boost makeup wipes. And honestly, I really don't even use makeup wipes anymore. I honestly only got them just because I'll be filming more and more content. And sometimes I just need quick cleanup. Like for example, right now. That's really the only reason I bought them. I really don't even use makeup wipes that much anymore. All right, so now that we got into what I got, let's get into a face using what we have. Now I'm gonna go in with my new NARS foundation. I still feel like this isn't working for me. What the hell is going on?
It's not even giving what y'all said it was supposed to give. No.
I did one of those online matching things, like where it like tells you like your shade matcher on. Yo! I need a fucking vacation. I need a fucking vacation. So now this is not going to work. I'm about to cut the cameras. Dead ass.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
Motherfucker. Damn it, Jim Bob. So now I don't have foundation. I'm over it. Well, at least let me see like how light this concealer is. Oh baby, she's light. You know, I'm just failing all over the motherfucking place. But let me see like what the coverage is giving. This is like a huge, well, the coverage is actually nice, but baby, this ain't the color. I'm cutting the camera. I'm back. We are going to try this. I decided that I'm going to go ahead and go forth and film with the products that I do have, even though I feel like the colors are not correct, because I just feel like it's the most authentic thing to do for this haul, because I think this is just really what it's like buying and trying makeup in the time of COVID. So we're gonna get into it. Ready? This used to be like my summer color. Like just imagine, I could be this brown during the summer, but who's been out? Not me. See, now see, it's not that it's terrible, but I feel like I have to kind of bring it down, but then you would see demarcation. I don't like demarcation lines. Oh, baby. I mean, if the thing fails, it fails. If the tutorial fails, it fails. But baby, this is giving like Kim K 2011 under the eye. Ooh, child. I know me that I know I can balance this out, but I'm like a makeup MacGyver of sorts. I do think I like this concealer, the formula rather. See, and this is why in my last video, I made it I was like, I'm very intentional about where I place concealer and not dragging it all the way out. Imagine if I would have did that and I would have had like stripes on my face. Not cool. I'm almost scared to even like put it on my chin. Maybe I'll just do residual of what's on this brush. Yeah. Take a tiny bit. I'm going to go in with some Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder and then lightly under my eye. I never set down the bridge of my nose anymore. And that is because I tend to use more hydrating products because I like a more dewy, glowy look to my face. And I just find that when I let that breathe, and my skin tends to be more on the dry, dehydrated side anyway. But as I'm using products that are more hydrating and have like a little bit of luminosity in them, by leaving that powderless, it's kind of like a little bit of natural shine comes through and I look naturally highlighted, and then I don't have to go down my nose with highlighter, because most highlighters are powder anyway. So if you're setting with powder to make it dry and matte and then putting a powder product on top of it again to illuminate, girl, then that just defeats the purpose to me. To go in with the Morphe Glamabronze in Leader. I don't know what this is gonna look like. I will say, like, as soon as you touch it, it gets like really, really powdery. All right, let's see. Oh, that's pigment. Oh, she's pigmented. Mm-hmm. Okay. I feel like I can't really see it in the mirror, but I feel like I can see it on camera. I don't know if it's picking up the way I would want it to pick up because the foundation's not the right color, but we're just going to see what we can do. Let me see if she's good for contouring. My nose. Run it into my brow, get a little, we're pinching. Oh bitch, we're pinching. She's pinched. This is like really aggressive. Child, let's just keep it moving. I said I was gonna do this whether it was a fail or not, so here we are. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay 24/7 Waterline in Legend. And what I'm going to do is thinking I want to do like a sultry smoky eye. So I am going to use this. I'm going to rim the whole entire eye. I'm going to go on the lower lash line. And I'm going in my waterline, but also like right under the lash line so I can smudge that. And I'm actually going to gonna run this up on the lid more than normal and use it as a base. We're gonna blend that out. Let's find me a flat synthetic brush. Oh, bitch. Yep. I'm gonna smudge out the bottom as well. Girl, Smokey. I could literally pop on a lash right now and be done. And I'm gonna switch to the other side of this brush just to kind of like buff out the edge. Diffuse that a bit so it's not as harsh. But we've packed down. We've got some color down. Going with the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, I'm gonna use this black colored jet just to set that. It's not like I'm going anywhere that I need to, but anytime I use a cream or liquid, I wanna set. I'm just gonna go set that on top of the liner that we put down as a base. And I'm gonna just buff out the edge. So to softly diffuse this smoky eye a bit more, I am going to go back into the bronzer and I'm gonna take that right on the edge of the black. For a really nice, super smoky gradient. Just tickling the edge. Chop. Oh yes. I think I'm gonna run some in the crease too. Yep. I'm not sure how I feel about this lash. I feel like I can see the band. I don't like that. Sometimes once the lash is on, you see you gotta like literally up the ante on the smoke. A little technical difficulty. I was in the middle of recording and everything cut out and I thought I lost the footage, but we bike, okay? So I think the only thing that I did additional, I added some blush. I used my Stilazzi Barbados palette and I used a mix of those two. Papaya and sugarcane. And then I had used both of the lip liners. I used the Brooklyn Thorn liner right on the outside. Sandstorm in the center. And then a dab of gloss. Right in the pout. And that's it. I made it work. I feel like I did an okay job balancing it out. I love a good sultry smoky eye. Could have been worse, but it worked. I hope you enjoyed this haul video. It wasn't too terrible. We pulled it together, we made it work. I am somewhat of a makeup MacGyver. I make shit work and slap. If you want to see more videos like this, please let me know. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, most importantly, and hit the bell notification so you will know every time that I post a video. See you next time.